Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to tailor board, column, and account permissions to fit your team's needs. Let's get started. When it comes to permissions, the first thing to consider is board owners. As you'll see shortly, board owners will circumvent whichever board permission we put in place. To add or remove board owners, simply open the subscribers window and select the crown icon next to any name. With our owners in place, let's take a look at each of the 4 board permissions available. First, updates only. This option will prevent non-board owners from changing anything on the board outside of writing updates. Next, we have edit by assignee. Here, we can designate a people column to dynamically apply permissions to our project. Once enabled, users can only update columns for items they're assigned to. Next up, edit content. With this permission, restrictions only apply to the structure of the board. Outside of adding columns or altering titles, users will be able to freely edit all column values, add new items, and even move items between groups. Last, but certainly not least, we have the aptly named Edit Everything. From adding columns to editing groups and more, this setting allows your subscribers to collaborate on all aspects of your board. If board permissions are too broad, try adding restrictions to individual columns. By clicking the drop-down menu, board owners can restrict edits or visibility of any column. In both cases, only the team members added to this list will be able to edit or see the column. Finally, if you're on our enterprise plan, you can take things a step further with account permissions. Located in the admin settings, you'll be able to restrict things like uploading files, adding boards, and enabling integrations or automations. There you have it. Thanks to board, column, and account permissions, you can tailor restrictions to match your team's needs. That's it for now. Click here for more on permissions and all things monday.com.